Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at this website together called Study Pool. So what is the work of this website? This website lets you earn online by literally doing homework for students guys. You do homework for students and you will earn for real. So that is the work of Study Pool. So now let us explore the website together guys, and I will be showing you how you can make money on Study Pool. So as you can see here, it says 247 study help, get help with study question from verified tutor. So what we want to be is the verified tutor guys, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that in this video. So as you can see here, it says or get access to over 40 million of study documents from the notebook. So if you are a teacher or you are good at literally anything, whether it is math, whether it is algebra, or whether it is English, whether it is anything guys, geography, anything guys, you can literally help people to do their homework based on your expertise and you get paid. So as you can see how Q&A tutoring works. Post a question, ask all type of question, big or small, from basic math to rocket science. And yes, it connect with tutor, which means our system recommend the best tutors for your question. So you are going to be that tutor depend on the type of questions you are going to be answering guys. So like I said, you can be anything guys. So let's say you work at a geography, like you are good with geography guys. So if there is a question on geography, then Study Pool will recommend you because that is your niche. You are good with geography guys. So that's just how it works. As you can see here, it says explanation and answer. Tutor gives quality explanation and answer. That's just your work guys. Explain what you know to the student, or you literally help the student to do his or her homework, and that's it guys. You will get paid for it. It's a crazy world guys. Don't worry guys. So now what I want you to show is that you can see here feature subjects: programming, rocket science, linear algebra, chemical engineering, see mathematics, science, business, programming, humanities, writing. So they cover all these subjects, right, and more. So that's just how it works. So if you want to check more subjects, you can see here this is macroeconomic, international law, immunology, literature, you see JavaScript, music theory, Spanish, communication. Like you can literally teach anything, whether language or not guys. So that's just how it works. So for us to earn on Study Pool, what we need to do is we need to scroll down to this section right here. You see this section right here. So this is where we want to deal with. As you can see here, yes, it's subject we cover. So these are the subjects they cover guys. So you see communication, computer science. So you can literally earn teaching people how to do all this stuff guys. You can see here, if you are good with communication, you can teach students how to communicate, and that's it guys. So for us to earn online, what we just need to do is we need to come this section right here that says become a tutor. So if we click on this section right here now, as you can see here, it says earn money answering study question, earn up to $7,500 USD monthly working from home to join students. You can see how crazy it works guys. You can literally earn up to that. So what you just need to do is click on apply now and input your details guys. So when you input your details, that means you create an account as a tutor and you can literally earn money for it. So that's just how easy it is guys. So if you have any question about it, just drop it in the comment section and I will answer you about it guys. So that will be all for our video. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe guys, and thank you for watching. See you next time.